Nag-i-enjoy yung bata. So we are here now in Barcelona, El Prat Airport. And then I'm going to transfer to another plane going to Madrid. See you.
Ay, mukha niya! Yeah! Good morning! Good morning!
How's your day so far? So first day in Spain, we are going to paano sa Espanya nun?
Ay, sorry.
Plaza Real.
It's so nice. It's so clean compared to New York. Ah, sige, wag na. Malinis. Bonita.
Bonita. Tara na, tara na! Yeah, this is the Palacio. It's huge. It's massive. Yeah, very historical. Well, this is my first time here in Spain, so yeah. It's nice. So we are done in the Royal Palace. I'm gonna eat some food because we're hungry now.
Pilipina ni Ate Trisha pag naan siya. Ha?
Accept ka na doon ba yan?
Ah, mali pala.
Okay.
Next time. Okay?
Anak ko naman daw ako.
So we're done eating, and then next stop is Museo Prado. Akin lang. Hi, good morning. Day 2 here in Madrid. So right now it's early morning. I'm going to Santiago Bernabeu because it's a 10 minutes walk from our hotel, and yeah, I just want to see the famous stadium here in Madrid. So right now I'm walking right now to the stadium because I'm a Barcelona fan. I'm just gonna see how it looks. Especially they renovated this stadium. It's pretty cold out here today. It's 18 Celsius. As you can see right now how good the low light on this camera. This is how good DJI Osmo Pocket 3 10-bit color. You can see right now, it's so cool, so great on low light. That's the stadium. The night, low light on this camera. I have no words on this. I really want to use this like every day, like if you travel. And how compact this camera is. 10 out of 10. So I see right now it's being renovated on my left side. This mess is training ground, huh? We are now in Gothic here in Barcelona.
Siya naman pala.
Ang galing dito ng camera ko. Nasunod sa mukha ko. Kaya mo. Correct, hindi ko sasabihin. Yeah.
Caliente.
Same one can.
Ay, lo siento, señor.
Good morning. So, this is our second day in Barcelona. So, Mami. So, yesterday, ayun, maraming nangyari. And then, ayun, we lost our baggage in the train from Madrid to Barcelona. And they found our baggage in the train station. And then, we're going back to the train to claim the baggage. Ay, nako. Ayun na po yung bag namin. Nawala sa train, naiwan.
Tapos, bakit tayo? Okay.
Ay, mataas siya. Hike pala dito. Ay, balagay po. So, I like this one. This park. I think it's not worth it to go on the top. Mami, we are in Park Güell. Güell?
Quill.
Güell. Park Güell. Hello, Sia. Sia. Say hello. Saan po tayo kakain? Yan ang tanong. Muta.
Lagi ano na, shopping mall tayo.
Shopping mall na naman.
Originally daw, chapel.
Mall na naman tayo. Coffee for today. Sia. I'm making the bird. The bird. That's the bird. Not the bird. You can see on the back it's still under construction, and look how tall it is. Chin shots. Yan ang ngiti mo.
Tatlo po, tapos kayong dalawa. She likes them.
So yun, tapos na yung shoot namin. Si Alaida nag-request nito eh. So yan, punta lang ako sa Barcelona store para kunin yung jersey na binili pa.
Ito din naman.
Sangria din di talaga healthy.
Algo que depende del momento, agua,
Vino.
We are here, last day in Barcelona, then we're going back to New York. And so first, punta muna kami sa FC Barcelona Museum and then diretso na kami airport. See you. So we just arrived in Camp Nou. Just gonna see. English. Tapos na po ang trip namin and balik na kami sa airport and going back to New York. It's been good. It was a great trip. It was a great trip.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Okay po.
Alexia.